Hey there, my name is Nu Chong Yang. I fly under Ebony Loft. I'll tell you a little about myself. I started raising pigeon back when I was 12 years old. Started racing back in 2004. Started out with the Asian Pigeon Club. Before that, I was trying to get into a Twin City concourse, but there was too many thieves going around, so it was hard to join. So started out with the Asian Pigeon Club, which years later went to be turned into the United Club. And then just a few years ago, I left them and then started a new club called Top Flight Racing Pigeon Club. So that's where I'm at now. And then family of birds that I used to raise is O-line Fabry. That was a while back when I started, but after 2006, my loft got hit, everything got stolen, so a few of my favorites flew back, and that's about it. Started a few of those, and then went to an auction, and then got me a pair from there, from a really good guy, Noel Jenny. He gave me a pair. That's where basically everything starts for me. That bred me my slate hen that now is the backbone of my loft. I'll take you guys and show you guys what those birds look like. And here are a couple of my breeders. I'll show you guys around. This one here is 566 off of my slate hen, which I don't have her anymore, but this is a daughter off of her. She bred me 5 first place winners already. The first place bird that came home from 600 miles was off of her. Made it to the Arden. Got her full sister still in the nest here on eggs. I call her Super 9. She's probably one of my best racing hen and breeding hen. She bred first place Triple Crown, Tough Flight Triple Crown race, 300 miles by 31 minutes. And she's bred me a bunch of National Ace Pigeon, a Hall of Fame bird also. It's a really good hen. There's another direct daughter off my slate hen. All birds, get ready for 300 miles. That's gonna be a tough one tomorrow. We are here by Old Bird Loft. Show you some of my birds. This is a just carved him Fast Freddy. He is a 2 or 3 times first place winner for our club. He won the first place 400 miles for the Heartland Federation. It was for a Topeka race. Third overall of all Minnesota. Really nice cockbird. He's also third national ace of all Minnesota. One of my best racing Old-bird yearling cock. This guy here is first place National Ace Pigeon of all Minnesota right now. He's a direct son off my Super 8, which are a fantastic racer and breeder. this really nice hen here. She is a grandkid of my Super 9. She's second place national ace of all Minnesota right now. There's this Oberlauf here set up for widowhood. You can see a box here. That's how I flew my system half of the year, and then the other half I went natural. So the key thing is for racing pigeons, keep the loft dry. Is always number one. Clean feed, clean water. I didn't use any medication, any vitamins or anything like that. Just clean water the whole season and clean feed. I took first through fifth national ace of all Minnesota this year. I think I got at least 12 national ace middle distance this year. Off of all these, they're all yearlings only, except for 2 years old. But the silver here is the yearling, but one national ace triple crown. So again, this is my first year racing over. Don't know much, but my yearling team flew really good. Probably broke all the record there is. That's been called probably a cheater by a bunch of guys from this excellent year that I'm having. Got my birds counter mark, like you seen show on here, for the 600-mile race, because nobody believes that yearlings can do it, but yearlings can. Just keep them healthy. This hen here was my first bird home from the 600 miles. She doesn't take a bite, she always goes on the ground, so I just left her as it is. This is off my slate, crossed with the Arden I got from Travis Yates. I took first through 12th for the club. This hen was second place Harlan Federation overall for 600 mile yearling. She's a late hatch that I bred last year, so late hatch can still do it. And this hen here, it's third place for the Harlan Federation, little hen. She is also first place marathon national ace of all Minnesota. This is off my Tenier Van Loon pair. So pretty much all my birds are mostly yearlings, and they flew every week back to back. Haven't rested a week at all, went every single week. They can do it all, from 100 miles to 600 miles.